And we are live. What is going on, guys? It's your boy, the host of Chewy, and welcome back to the channel. So, obviously, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And then also, if you do guys have any questions, comment them in the comment section down below. And then my bad, I am a little bit late. I was on TikTok live, and they had a very good question, so that's why I was a little bit late. Haven't started investing, and then also, if you haven't started investing, make sure you guys download Robinhood, because honestly, like Robinhood is the most simple brokerage to use, and then also download Webull. That one's a little bit more sophisticated, but Webull does give you, I think it's 4 free stocks. And then I forgot to show you guys, but and then also don't forget to join the Discord. It's going to be right here. It's going to be the first link, and then here's all of my social medias. So like mainly the two big ones that I use are YouTube and TikTok, and then Instagram would come third. So TikTok and YouTube, I go live all the time. On Instagram, I post my stories. Usually, I post when I'm about to go live, or if I had like an amazing day trading, or if I had a very bad day trading. And then Twitter, I don't really use that much because I don't know. Twitter, it's like so hard to get followers. And then if you guys use Threads, make sure you guys follow me on there as well. But like I said, Webull, they give you 4 free stocks. So here's the link right here. And then this is a referral link. So I will get like some free stocks as well for referring you. And then same thing with Robinhood. And then if you haven't, or if your credit score is pretty good, check out Chase's Freedom credit card. And then here's my referral link if you do want to use that. But like I said, make sure you guys like the live, and then make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, and then also turn on the bell so then you guys know exactly when I'm going live. But like I said, my bad that I was late for the live because I was on TikTok live earlier. I still am on TikTok live actually, but yeah. What's up, Giovanni? Where are you at? Let's go. What's up, Tyler? Where are you at? Like I said, my bad, guys. I was a little bit late. I was on the what's it called, the TikTok live. Where are you at? My bad, my bad, bro. Look at Tesla. I got it at the bottom today. Hey, that's what's up, dude. He's a scam. No, I'm not. But all right, guys, let's get started with the portfolio review. And like I said, don't forget to like and then subscribe. And then if you do have any questions, comment them over here, and I'll answer whatever questions that you guys have. And then also don't forget to check out the Discord as well. But okay, as you guys can see, today we are up 1% or 1.8K basically. For the 1 week, I am up 15.7K or 9% for the week. And then this week is like last week, I think it was on Thursday, I had a very bad day. So that's why like it's actually up like 10%, but it's just 9%, but it's just because like week over week, this day was not good, but today I'm doing absolutely amazing. But with the 1 month, I'm up 19K or 11%. Within the 3 months, I'm up 28.2K, I would say, or 17.5%. Year to date, I'm up 28.3K or 17.6%. Within the 1 year, I'm up 26.4K or around 16.3%. And then all time, I'm up 20.5K or 12%. And then basically all of the gains have came from basically the past 2 months. I started selling options and doing credit spreads like around here, somewhere in May. Like I got the coaching right here on May 4th, and then I really didn't start trading until right here. But thankfully I did do this instead, because in the past I did have what's called a dividend like only account, and thankfully I did switch to this because this is honestly way better than well, for me it is anyways, because I do have like basically all day to trade. So yeah, but thankfully, like I said, I did look into this. But let's see how the portfolio is doing today, and then I will get to your guys' questions in a second. But all right, here's how. Let me actually just check for today's entries. So I'm up $260 on Palantir, or 1.5%. Actually, I'll just tell you guys the numbers. PayPal, I'm up around $580. Target, I'm up $28. Not so good. And then Enphase, I'm down $84. And then for the total return for these stocks, 1,800 for Palantir, for PayPal 3.1K, Target up $500, and then 4.1K on Enphase. And then here's all of the options that I do have. And then I do have to like roll these ones. I'm probably gonna have to take a loss on these, which does suck. But let me actually check my wheel tracker. Wheel money. And let me see how much money I got from PayPal. I got $337, so I'm gonna have to subtract that. Because PayPal just like honestly went to the moon. I don't even know what happened to the stock either. I'll probably do this one. Then I'm gonna have to pay a lot of money. 71. Like the stock got upgraded, which is why it's going up a ton. PayPal upgrade. Upgrade. Upgrade stock. Like they switched it from a hold to a buy, so that's why the stock is actually up quite a bit today. But that's a lot of money to pay, $699. But I did get $300 for already like selling calls on it, so maybe I will do it and just take like the hit for this time. But I really don't know about this one, to be honest with you guys. I know it's gonna keep going up, but I don't know if I should just like um buy this contract outright. I probably like this is the thing that does suck about selling options. Like the very good thing is that it gives you like extra income, but when the stock starts running up, that's when it can really bite you. If I did all three contracts, I'm at 1,300. I'll probably deal with this one tomorrow, but then I have this Palantir one that's also up a ton. SPY put credit spreads, they're doing absolutely amazing. Covered call on Target, that one's actually doing pretty good right now. I probably will roll this one since tomorrow, like Target's like it's very volatile. I do gotta say, so I'll probably do this one and then get $108 of credit. Because I don't want to do 134 just in case the stock does stay around the same. Oh, that's why. I was like, way to go dark. Hopefully this does get filled, but hopefully I can roll that one. But good job on that Tesla play, Jordan. Let's see if Rob comes here too. What's good? What's up, dude? Bruh. Aiden Ortiz or Rob? Which one? Rob, no one cares. You be careful. You're the one who got robbed. Yo, how's your fraud? How much capital did you start off with? I started off with 0 like everyone else, but like I started in when I was 18, like to invest. So I started off with 0 like everyone else. But like I said, I always say this, but I went from M1 Finance to Robinhood. And then at the start of my portfolio, I'll show you. The start of this portfolio, I have 161K like into the stock. I mean, this portfolio, but now I'm at 189K, or I'm up 28K basically. Yo, roll out, Aiden. I'll be here every day. Good thing you got out of Nvidia call credit spread. It's bad. Yeah, dude. I put a new one in because I'm like, there's no way that Nvidia can just keep climbing up. But I always do look at the stocks every single day just in case it does like keep going up. So like right now, I don't know if I should get out of it or not because I don't know like if tomorrow if it's going to be a red day or a green day. If tomorrow's a red day, then this would be absolutely amazing. But I'll probably like look at this one again tomorrow. But I did do another call credit spread on Nvidia. I had to like raise it up a little bit, just so I wouldn't lose money. Like I closed one on Tuesday, I think it was, because I was kind of nervous because I was like, what if the stock market just like jumps up a ton, and it actually did. So thankfully, I did get out of it. How though? LOL. What did he do? He's showing all his gains. You've just been selling options for this portfolio? No, dude. I've been doing credit spreads as well. Um, I've been doing credit spreads and then selling calls and puts. And then my stocks have been doing absolutely amazing, which does help a ton. So like, shoot, 4, 7, 8, 9, like 9K of my gains have came from just stock gains. Chewy, I think Aiden doesn't like you too much. What's going on? All right, so like the situation with Aiden is, somebody scammed him like on TikTok because he said he gave somebody $1,500, but like for me, like I said this before on TikTok, but why would I take somebody's money when I already have 189K like of my own money? Why would I take somebody else's money? And then two, that's fraud. Um, and then three, like why would I put myself in that position when I can go to jail if that was me? But like I said before, I have 189K. There's no point of me like trying to take his money. But yeah, that's just like the short glimpse of it. Like I'm sorry that Rob you got scammed, but it wasn't me. Why would I take your money when I clearly have all of my money here? Um, but hey, like I feel bad, but it's not my fault. It's his fault. Why would you send somebody money through Bitcoin, especially when? But yeah. But all right, guys. Enough of that. We are gonna look at this PayPal rating. Like I said, I really don't know if I should. Where is it? This PayPal one. If I should just close it out, because I think it's probably just gonna keep running. Because I don't know. Actually, first let me check this. All right. PayPal, its rally time rating upgrade. PayPal shares have dropped nearly 80% over the last 2 years, but the shareholders' pain may finally be nearing an end. PayPal is making a number of strategic moves to drive accounts and payment volumes. This is an opportunity time. This is an opportune time for long-term investors to load up on PayPal stock. Let me see if it. Competes with Cash App. It also has so far onboard users who are 18 years or older only. Light at the end of the tunnel. Let me see where their predictions are, because I haven't seen this, or I didn't see this. Dang, they said it has a 42% upside. As far as price estimates go, I believe PayPal deserves to trade at least at 3.9 times its trailing 12-month sales in light of its improving fundamentals. This is a medium value, as it implies a 42% upside to PayPal stock price from its current levels. Besides, I had covered PayPal almost 13 months ago. Um, but yeah, guys, there was an upgrade today, which is why the stock is like absolutely going crazy today. Like it's only up 2.6%, but for PayPal stock, this is a ton of, like it usually doesn't go up that much. It like goes up and down like pretty steadily. But today it's just like it just went whoop. My bad, guys. I lost your comments. Good thing you got out of. Oh, I reread that one. You've just been selling options for this portfolio. LOL, why this dude sounds so nice on here? Anyways, he even knows everything Bitcoin and all. Dude, Aiden, I don't know who scammed you, but that's not my fault. That's your fault for sending somebody else money. But okay. Let's see. Target. That one obviously didn't get filled, so I'm gonna have to do this one and we'll do 0.33. Let's see if that goes. We'll try 0.34 again. Yo, my bad, guys. The people that are on TikTok, come on over to YouTube, guys. I'm live right now. I forgot that I even had TikTok on, but come on over to YouTube, guys, and then follow me on here. Follow me on Instagram, and then if you guys do have anything, comment them in the comment section down below or on any of the videos. But like I said, come on over to YouTube, guys. And yeah, you guys can see my whole portfolio and everything that I'm holding. You own 189 username. You own $189 username. Huge day tomorrow. Sports bets. PayPal gonna pump. Yeah, dude. I think PayPal's the. So far, it's been my favorite stock that I've been looking at. He doesn't have clips of working, only green screen scam. I mean, you can think it's a scam, dude. But I even showed my red day. That was last week on Thursday, and it was a pretty red day. And not like most people wouldn't show you guys that, but like so far, every single time that I post my account has been green. So what do you like want me to like just lose money for fun? The goal is to make money, not lose money. If you're pretending to be, if you're spending money, someone, what is your thoughts about Caspa? I've never heard of Caspa, dude. What are your best stocks? So far I'm just holding 4 different stocks. So I have PayPal, Palantir, Target, and then Enphase are the 4 stocks that I'm holding. Thoughts on Baba? Dude, I've been looking at Alibaba, but like the only thing that's stopping me from investing from like to Alibaba is what's it called? Is that they're from China. So like us and China don't really get along, so that doesn't really help. How old are you? I'm 25, dude. Don't forget user. Rob and Aiden get into circle with Rob literally has no life. Uh, Rob had to pull up his backup account and user 37. No one in here sells a course. You are just angry for no reason, bro. Yeah, guys, I don't even sell a course. Um, how do you sell options? X EXPI looks promising. Never trust a trader who sells a course, guys. This making more money on their courses. I don't sell a course, dude. The be selling courses too. Can't make this stuff up. Wondering why he's defending. You know why? Because that's my buddy. User 3739. And then what's even worse is you don't even have a profile picture. Random racism is weird. Bro, just ignore the comments now. It's because I'm looking at the YouTube viewers, dude. But yeah, guys, like I said, come on over to YouTube. I'm still live on YouTube, but um, did you get to that amount being smart or good with it? I would say it's a little bit of both, dude, because you obviously have to have the money at first in order for you to invest it. But I would say it's a little bit of luck, um, being smart with the money. I would say yeah, it's both of those things for sure. Doesn't last long. You don't make 1,800. You're just up that amount. True, dude. True. Robinhood maybe not scam, but every platform might be. How do I get started to make money like you? Honestly, dude, the best way is just to like save, invest, and then learn new skills so then you can make way more money. Like for me, my big thing is I've always been like at first I was just buying courses, but for me what I've learned about myself is I actually need a coach to like help me through and like tell me exactly like what I'm doing wrong or if I am doing something right to like keep doing that. So I would say like look for a coach if you can afford them, but if not just keep looking through YouTube channels and um and that would be honestly my way. What do you suggest Apple for the long term? Yeah, dude, Apple's an amazing like long-term hold, but at these prices for me they're a little bit too high, so that's why I don't have it. What's your average return weekly? Dude, I don't even know. uh, Fernando, I really don't know. Like for the past 3 months, it's been absolutely amazing, but I know for sure I'm gonna have this one month when I'm not gonna do that well. So, but it's been going amazing so far, thankfully. What do you think about the wheel strategy? Yes, I freaking love the wheel strategy. Like for me, usually I like to just sell calls, but sometimes I sell puts on like so the 2 different stocks that I'm doing it on right now are Mara and then Coinbase. Stock market isn't good solo for beginners. Look for groups with Discord. Watch videos. Take it slow. I agree, dude. Hello, sir. You are awesome. Thank you, dude. When you sell calls and puts, what is your delta usually? That's a good question, dude. So for me, I like a 30 delta whenever I sell calls or puts. But obviously that's just me. With everyone, it's gonna be different. But all right, guys, the people that are on TikTok, like I said, come on over to YouTube, guys. I'm live right now, and you guys can see my whole portfolio, everything that I'm holding, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Because I do have some covered calls that are like in the money, um, which isn't very good. But how often do you get assigned? Fernando, I like the great thing about selling options is that you can actually like roll them up and to the right if you're selling a call, or if you're selling a put, you can roll them to the right and down. Um, but yeah, how are you managing risk though with different hedges? To be honest with you, dude, I look at my portfolio like a bunch like for the day, so I always like see like when something's up or something's down. So I usually just like look at my portfolio a lot, and then I really don't have any hedges. Like I do call credit spreads on some stocks, but that's pretty much it. The other things I just hold, or I do put credit spreads as well. Post a screen recording, buddy. Uh, if you come over to YouTube, you can see my whole portfolio live, dude. Um, but user 3739, I know you probably won't because you're just all talk. And then I bet you probably don't even have any of your own money as well. Um, but okay, guys, I do got to get off TikTok live. Um, where do you learn credit spreads? Did I learn it all through YouTube? And then I do have a coach as well. Do you feel like 189K is a lot? Like I'm trying to get to like a higher amount, but like if I lost it all, 189K is a lot. So I would say yeah, dude. Sup, brother? I do mostly wheel and credit spreads. It's my favorite way, dude. Same here, Logan. Um, the absolute like selling calls and puts is absolutely amazing, and then credit spreads is a little bit more risky, as you obviously know. But honestly, no risk, no Rari. What YouTube channel do you watch the most? I watch, I would say, three different channels the most. So I watch Invest with Henry is number one. Number two is Financial Education Jeremy, and then the third one is either like Graham Stephan or like Andre Jick or me, Kevin. Those are like the five people that I watch the most. But that's just for like stocks. If I want to learn anything else, obviously that would be other people. But those are like my top five. Do you have Apple stock right now? No, dude, I don't have Apple stock. Check out PCT Great Premiums for the stock price. What stocks are you selling puts on currently? So I only have two stocks that I'm selling puts on. That's Mara and then Coinbase. But those two stocks have been just like going straight up. But I'm selling calls on the other four stocks that I hold. So I have PayPal, Palantir, Target, and Enphase. Those are the four stocks that I'm holding and selling calls on. What is your job that you can afford this much capital? So I had two jobs before, dude, and then I did Amazon FBA for like this past year, but I stopped doing Amazon FBA and I quit the two jobs, and I'm just doing this full time as of right now. Um, damn, bro, I watched all three of them too. Yeah. Why would you hold retail and dying tech companies? Um, do just S&P 500. Mm, Like for me, I don't know. Right now I'm an active trader, so that's why I don't do the S&P 500. But I have been thinking about just like selling some calls and puts on the S&P 500, S&P 500 and QQQ because that would honestly be like the safest thing to do. But I just really think I can like really build this account, but I don't want to do like super what's it called? Like super risky. So like that's why I'm probably not going to do as many credit spreads. CVNA to the moon. Got you, dude. Um, but okay, guys, like I said, coming over to YouTube, I'm live right now, so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Um, and yeah, guys, come on over to YouTube, and then also if you're on TikTok, make sure you guys follow me on there. Follow me on Instagram, and then if you guys have Threads, follow me on Threads as well. Um, but yeah, guys, like I said, come on over to YouTube. It's the same thing as my TikTok username at the Hosichui. So come on over to YouTube, guys. Um, and then I'll give you guys a second to do that. And then, like I say, follow me on here as well, because I do try to go live every single day. But I'll give you guys a second before I head off TikTok. Damn. All right, guys. Like I said, come on over to YouTube and follow me on here. But all right, peace out, guys. Thank you guys so much. And then don't forget to come back for tomorrow's live as well. I usually try to go live around this time. And my voice is about to. But all right, guys, peace out. Come on over to YouTube. It's at the Ghost Chui. All right, peace out, guys. For real. I gotta get off TikTok. And like I said, thank you guys so much. And see you guys later. All right, what is going on, guys? Damn, bro, I watched all three of them too. Dude, they're all freaking amazing YouTubers. Like, I learned so much from all of them. But yeah, and then also like another great person to follow is Ryan Pineda. He's like more about like just business stuff, but he's absolutely amazing as well. I love hearing what he has to say. So man, just hopped over from TikTok. What's up, Logan? Um, how old are you? I'm 25 years old, dude. But all right, guys. Give me 1 second and let me refresh this. Okay. Oh, 1 second. And then let me know. Do you guys have any questions or anything else you guys want me to talk about? How far out do you pick your credit spreads? I usually like to do either weekly or like 2 weeks out. I usually don't like doing any monthly ones. So like as you can see right now, I have this credit spread that's expiring tomorrow, and then I did have another one on the QQQ, but I rolled it out to this one right here. But yeah, like about a week to 2 weeks out, and then I know like my coach, the one that I have invested with Henry, he usually likes to do monthly ones because he has to like do a lot less work, and um, like if the market does fall, he'll be all good because they're like super out of the money as well. Why don't you like doing a monthly one or more? I don't know. I guess it's just like it's because I'm tying up my capital for like a lot longer time, which is why I really don't like doing it. But like everyone has success with like the way like that they trade. So like I said, my coach he does absolutely amazing with monthly ones, but for me, I like doing weekly ones. And then like so far, I've been doing absolutely amazing with them. But I know there will be like I always say before, there will be a month where I do have a red day, and I'm honestly just like well not one red day, but like I'll have a full like red month, and I'm honestly waiting for it because it's been like too good to be true for like the past basically like 3 months that I've been selling calls, selling puts, and doing credit spreads. What's your year to date? Um, it is 17.62 or 28.3K, and then like in the past I used to hold just shares, um but yeah, dude, like my all time high in the past was 179, and then the all time low was 160, and then that's obviously where I put in my money. Um, actually, somewhere around here somewhere. But yeah, dude, like I said, these past like 2 or 3 months have just been absolutely amazing. Um, but yeah, let me see if there's. I do got to roll these positions though, because um, Palantir is in the money. So let me see if I can switch it to 1650. Mm-hmm. What if I do dish? I feel like Palantir is just going to keep running up. So maybe I will just do this one, and then I'm gonna have to take a little bit of a hit on this one, but it is all good. I'm gonna have to pay $110, but like I said, it's all good. That's why we pay the premiums. But all right, that one hopefully will get filled. All right, beautiful. That one got filled, and this PayPal one is really, really. I used to day trade options. I'm just not. It's just not sustainable. Yeah, dude, I agree. Like, yeah, I agree with you. Um, Started doing credit spreads and selling options. I just bought a house from the proceeds, 30% up since April. Hey, that's what's up, dude. Good for you. Yeah, dude, I'm sorry, Rob. You gotta go, dude. I don't know why you keep following me around. It's not my fault that you lost money. Um, but all right, guys. Let me know if you guys have any more questions or anything else. Um, and then I've been looking for like other stocks to buy, but I haven't really found anything. I was looking at Nike for a little bit, but um, let me just look at Qualcomm really quick. I know there was a problem that I didn't like about Nike. Um, Nike and oh yeah, like the thing that I really don't like about Nike is that they're pretty much like staying even. They're not even like growing. Or actually, like year over year they are growing, but like looks like from quarter to quarter they're just like stagnant. Um, but actually, like year over year it doesn't look that bad. Um, Obviously from like 2020 to 2021, you're gonna have an amazing year, but this right here would be like super hard to like beat it. But they're not doing that bad this year. Um, so maybe I will look into them. Net income, like the thing that does suck sometimes is like they are very heavy on what's it called, like products or in inventory. So I mean, 2 billion is like still a lot of money though that they made. 12.8. I mean, yeah, that's still a lot of money, and then they do pay a dividend as well, which is something that I have been looking more of. Um, let me see, Nike. And I have to check to see when their dividend day is. Nike dividend history. All right, so there's Nike's dividend history. When do they pay out? Or when is their active date? So I missed it. So probably like around 9/2 will be their next one because it looks like they do quarterly. So 9/2 is their next dividend. Um, Let me see how much money I would get if I would sell a put for Nike. $52, and then if I got, I actually kind of want to own Nike, so I would probably do the strike price. Um, or if I sold a call, like $54, $33. I mean, this one right here would just like this would be just like a dividend um every single week basically if I wanted to, because they pay like 34 cents per week. So honestly, I could do that and just keep selling calls on this and then get their dividend as well. But obviously, it's not always going to go perfect. Um, Selling you, man, BCT is dope. I'm looking about. Let me check it out. Let me check Qualcomm as well. Actually, this one can go out of here. PCT. Pure Cycle Technology. Pure Cycle Technologies. Um, um, I don't know if this is right or not, but I would be careful with this because they are losing a lot of money. Unless, like in their guidance, they were like, "We're gonna like be profitable," but they have been absolutely crushing it. They're up 74% just this year. But I would be careful with unprofitable companies, dude. Like for me, that's the first thing that I look at. Even though I think, let me see, the only company that isn't making money is Target, but um, let me see, Target. So like, damn, Target actually doesn't look that interesting anymore. Like they won't. It's only, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the past 5 quarters, they lost a lot of money, and then only one quarter. Well, 4 quarters they lost money. 1 quarter they gained money, but that was from December, and then this past quarter they lost $340 million, which is a lot of money, and then they got even more debt. And then their shares outstanding are going up. Maybe, I don't know if I should hold on to this one or not, because this doesn't look that great, to be honest. But let me check annually. Oh shoot, $1.5 billion lost. Obviously, 2021 they made a whole lot of money, but I don't know. This company doesn't look that interesting anymore. I might sell out of it. Like it has an amazing dividend though, but their debt is way too much. So I might have to rethink about Target. Startup company just began production. Oh, okay, I got you, dude. So okay, I got you. This is more like of a risky play. But all right, guys. Any more questions, comments, concerns? And then let me just, before we get out of here, let me just check the portfolio. So 1.8K. It's still pretty much the same as last time that I showed you guys. There we go. Rewards, investing. But yeah, everything looks to be the same. NVIDIA. Yeah, this bad boy went up a ton. But I'll check back on this one tomorrow and see how it does tomorrow. And if it just like keeps climbing up, then I might have to like take a loss on it. But it's part of trading, so it's all good. Definitely riskier, but I want to hold it anyway so I can. Okay, gotcha, dude. And hedges. What was the PCT? So yeah, they're, especially if you do the $11 one, they give you a lot of premium. But all right, guys. It looks like you guys don't have any more questions or anything else. So I'll probably see you guys again tomorrow. So make sure you guys tune into the live tomorrow. Usually I like to go live around 2 o'clock to like 3. So tomorrow will probably be live around that time again. So all right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and then any comments, comment them in the comment section down below or to the chat over there. But all right, guys. I'll see you guys later. And like I said, tomorrow I'll be live around 2 or 3 o'clock. So I'll see you guys later, and hopefully tomorrow's another green day. But okay, guys, peace out, and thank you guys so much.